Hello fellow marketers, welcome to the channel. Thursday the 25th of January 2024, Eformula is live by Aidan booth. There are just 6 hours to go now, until the first of today's Masterclass session starts at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, with the second kicking off at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. We're going to be covering a huge amount of amazing content, but these are the core components of this live event that you'll need to pay very close attention to. Click the link pinned in the first comment below this video to secure your seat. Here's what is going to be revealed. Our top 10 secrets for identifying potentially profitable opportunities, learned after selling more than 200,000 physical products online. How to identify super products. These are needle-in-the-haystack products with massive margins and demand. 6 super products on a platter, which you can steal and sell with a 3-part system. Power steps to build a successful online business using free targeted traffic. The biggest roadblock that new eCommerce entrepreneurs face when they launch their business and start selling online. Obliterates this roadblock by allowing anyone to access and sell pre-vetted products with validated demand. A full in-depth demo of this software with no stone left unturned. Nothing like this has ever been created before, and you'll see exactly why. 6 upfront golden product opportunities revealed, and how you could steal and start selling them on the biggest marketplace on the planet. And how to tie all of this together to build a successful online business in 2024, using nothing but free traffic. There are only limited seats, so get registered now. Click the link pinned in the first comment below this video to secure your seat.